Hello everyone, I am Atul Morbali and today is 6th of January 2022 and now we have discussed about the garbage collection in Java. So first we discuss about the overview of Java. Java is object oriented programming language. It is based on its architectures. In Java architectures there are three parts: JVM, JRE and JDK. In JVM means Java Virtual Machines. In JVM there are stores the memory management. There are four parts of memory management. First is method area, second is stack area, third is heap area, fourth is PC registers area, and fifth is native method stack area. In heap area there are all the object are stores. So we should one doubt about the management object management of JVM. How it is possible to store all of the object in JVM in memory. So Java provides one more part in JVM, that is a garbage collector. Garbage collector is a process in which Java program perform automatic memory management. Now we discuss the flow of the program. We create the any program. It is converted into bytecode and pass through JVM. The garbage, but when we execute the program, there should be automatic object are created. But sometimes such scenarios, the object are not needed as a long time. So garbage collector is find them and delete them for memory management. In C there are free method to delete the unreachable objects. In C++, delete method is used to uh, free the unreachable objects, but in Java the programmer does not need to care about memory management. It is automatically work done by garbage collector. Now we discuss the how it works the garbage collector in Java. Garbage collection works automatically in programming language in program Java program. First of all, we create an object when we execute the program. Uh, Garbage collector coming goes through heap memory and find the which object are in works and which objects are is not used as in long times. The garbage collector find them which objects are not needed and unreachable. When they find, then delete this object automatically. Now we discuss the some important concept about garbage collector. First is unreachable object. The object are said to be unreachable when there are no stores they address. Suppose we consider the one example of unreachable object. Integer I equal to new integer in round bracket 4. That is the constructor of integer class, and we assign the value 4. But after there we describe the I is equal to null, that is object name is equal to null. Then garbage collectors find them in heap memory and delete them that object which have no any reference. Now second is eligibility of object for selected in garbage collection. The object are eligible to garbage collector when it is in unreachable. Now we discuss the how to request JVM to perform garbage collection. When we create an object and execute the program, Java does not provide garbage collection immediately. We have to request them using two methods. First is uh, system.gc method. When we call the system.gc method, garbage collection work start the work. And second is system.gc method dot in. That is the second method to request the garbage collection. Now we discuss the finally keyword. When before the perform the action on object of garbage collector call the finally methods. When the finally work methods uh, perform the work and it is completed, then the object are completely destroyed. That is the work of finally methods. So that is all about the garbage collection in Java. So thank you for this video.